Welcome to my channel. This is Vicky. Today I have 88 words to practice. Practice and repeat after me to sound like a native speaker of English. I will be repeating each word 2 times only, but you can pause the video and repeat it as many times as you need. Also, write them down in your English notebook. And you could put the translation in your language next to it if you like. Okay, let's get to it. Let's go. Juice. Juice. Soda. Soda. Tea. Tea. Water. Water. Apple. Apple. Carrot. Carrot. Lettuce. Lettuce. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Cheese. Cheese. Bacon. Bacon. Eggs. Eggs. Butter. Butter. Sugar. Sugar. Salt. Salt. Pepper. Pepper. Vinegar. Vinegar. Oil. Oil. Ketchup. Ketchup. Mustard. Mustard. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Bread. Bread. Toast. Toast. Bagel. Bagel. Cereal. Cereal. Pancakes. Pancakes. Waffles. Waffles. Hamburger. Hamburger. Hot dog. Hot dog. French fries. French fries. Salad. Salad. Soup. Soup. Popcorn. Popcorn. Sandwich. Sandwich. Steak. Steak. Chicken. Chicken. Fish. Fish. Shrimp. Shrimp. Rice. Rice. Noodles. Noodles. Tacos. Tacos. Burritos. Burritos. Enchiladas. Enchiladas. Salsa. Salsa. Guacamole. Guacamole. Shopping. Shopping. Store. Store. Mall. Mall. Shoes. Shoes. Hat. Hat. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Wallet. Wallet. Purse. Purse. Money. Money. Post office. Post office. Mail. Mail. Package. Package. letter, letter, stamp, stamp, phone, phone, text message, text message, email, email, computer, computer, keyboard, keyboard, video, video, drive, drive, car, car, truck, truck, gasoline, gasoline, road, road, highway, highway, traffic, traffic, data, data, intersection, intersection, stop sign, stop sign, parking lot, parking lot, beach, beach, ocean, ocean, river, river, mountain, mountain, forest, forest, museum, museum, aquarium, aquarium, garden, garden, school, school, classroom, classroom, teacher, teacher, student, student. Good job. That was 88 words. That was a long list for one video, but we did it. Great job. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you can find me again. That's all for today. Thank you for practicing with me. Bye-bye.